Hello dear Aries, welcome back to my channel, and this is your last week's exclusive, not just love reading but also career reading. Yes, on huge demand I have started this reading because a lot of people were telling me that you want to know about your career, weekly career as well. I was only doing weekly love. So this is going to be a combination of love reading plus career reading. So let's see how your weekly life goes. So your cards are already out. Let's begin with your love life. You've got the Two of Spades, the Fool card, and the Completed World. Okay, let me see. Some of you are going through a breakup situation, no contact situation, where this person has hurt you very, very much because they left you without saying a word, they ghosted you, or they chose someone else over you. They have hurt you in a way that maybe they're not even realizing, right? I do see that this person will be coming back, will be apologizing for their mistakes, will even be making a huge confession in the last week of March, right? If some fights happen between the two of you, if some misunderstandings happen between the two of you, I do see that you both or this person is prepared to forgive and forget, right? Or this person is coming back to ask for your forgiveness because they know they haven't treated you right, right? So this person will have a realization. They were quite impulsive, I know. They just did not think before doing what they did, and now they have realized it, whether it has taken them months or years, but this person has realized it and they will be coming back to you. And if you think you are this person and you're going through that kind of realization, I do see you going back to that person. If you're thinking whether they are going to forgive me or not, or they're going to accept me back or not, well, you have a very good news. I see a completed cup here. So I see that both of you are feeling very incomplete without each other, and both of you know that you have so much love in you, right? The lack of communication, the misunderstandings between the two of you made it worse for you. So if you really are ready for a reconciliation, you will have to be able to forgive and forget whatever happened between the two of you, and you have to accept each other. So I do see that you will be having a reconciliation, you will be having a fresh start, and whatever incompleteness was there in your life will become complete. Your world will be whole again with this person by your side. And all those who are single, I do see marriage is on the cards, a new relationship is on the cards. So you could be getting engaged or married in the last week of March, or at least you're starting to plan for one because now you have somebody who you can call your world. If you were married and your life was incomplete because you did not have children and you really wanted them, you could get a pregnancy news as well. So yes, no matter what your situation is, relationships or complicated marriages, everything is going to smoothen up now. So the last week of March is going to be beautiful for you. Let's talk about your career now. You've got the Seven of Stars, the Hanged Man, and the Six of Suns. Well, I do see a new job offer, a new opportunity coming your way in the last week of March. So if you are, I also see that some of you are tired of traveling. So some of you could have a traveling job, or it could be a job which is like away from your home because of which you're not able to spend time off at home. I do see that you would want to settle down in one place now, maybe invest in a property, or maybe look for a job which is not making you travel a lot. So there are major or big changes coming your way, new opportunities which you have been waiting for a long time is coming your way. This opportunity is going to be beautiful for you. But I also see there is a betrayal energy, which means that maybe somebody in the past has betrayed you in your career, money wise. Then it's a problem because you're still stuck in that. So if you guys had given or lended money to someone, loaned money to someone, and if you're still hoping that that money will come back, then I would have to disappoint you. Know that money is not going to come back, dearies. You will have to forget about it, because the hangman here talks about somebody they trusted stabbed them in the back, and they're still waiting that that money will come back or the situation will get better. No, it's not going to get better, and the cards are really asking you to accept whatever has happened in the past and move on from it. Find new ways to earn the money, find new ways to make more money or make more business instead of getting stuck on that. You have a lot of opportunities coming your way in the last week of March. So instead of waiting for that person who hurt you or stabbed you in the back, I will advise you to look for new opportunities now, because the door of opportunities are opening for you. Whether you're looking for a job change, new business, new client, somebody will be interested in your business and investing in your business or giving you a good offer as well. Of course, always weigh your pros and cons. Of course, do your background check before accepting any offers. But yes, life is looking better for you. I also do see you settling down in home, spending a lot of time with family as well, accepting new offers, new opportunities coming your way, getting more stability in your life in general when it comes to your work and career, where you were just away from home all the time and that was eating you up. So I do see you that you have fought your wars, like a warrior, and now you just want to go home, you just want to relax, right? So the period of relaxation is going to come to you in the last week, and it's going to be beautiful for you career wise as well. If you have been uh, giving exams as well, if you have been preparing for something, or if you have been waiting for a result, then yes, positive results are coming your way. You could be getting selected in the exams as well. You could be clearing the difficult exams as well. So it's good for students as well. So it's going to be a beautiful week no matter who you are, Aries. If you have a sun moon rising in your sign, and if you guys resonated with this reading, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you would like to book any reading, if you have specific questions, or regarding any area of your life, or if you would like to book a ritual because you feel blocked in any area of your life, you can always email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can DM me as well on Instagram, the Moksha Tarot. Please do not forget to follow me on Instagram as well, as I post all my updates over there. And yes, my charges are very cheap, very budgeted. You will be shocked to know the charges. So it's not going to be expensive, in case you're thinking that, yeah, I want to ask a question. I have so many questions, but readings are so expensive. Tarot readings are expensive. No, they are not. Check out my prices and you'll get to know. So go ahead and make a booking right now. I will see you soon. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.